Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'll blur the background of this photo. This is the result of the work. Attribution and link of image are located in my video description. Enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. First, use the File menu and the Open command to open the image that we will use. Double-click on Background to unlock, then press OK. Head over and select the Quick Selection tool. Carefully select the entire girl. Hold Option, Alt or use this minus icon to subtract from selection. Once you're done, head up to Select and Mask. I'm working with the overlay view. Now, I'm going to click on the Refine Edge Brush tool and simply click and drag around the edges, to let Photoshop make a selection around those difficult to select part. Use the brush tool to adjust selection errors. Make sure that this plus icon is selected. This is the result. Choose New Layer with Layer Mask, then hit OK. If you need to do a few touch-ups, hold Option, Alt plus click on the mask. Make sure your foreground color is white, then select the brush tool. Go over those difficult to select part to reveal it better. As you can see, I did not make mistakes. Change your foreground color to black, and mask out any areas that are still left behind. Use brush mode, normal, and soft light for hair. Hold Option, Alt plus click on Mask. Turn back on the bottom layer. Hold Ctrl, Command plus click on the mask. This will make a selection of the girl. Select the bottom layer. Then head up to Select, Modify, Expand. Expand by 5 pixels, then hit OK. Then head up to Edit, Fill. Change the contents, Content Aware, then hit OK. Hide the visibility of the top layer. As you can see, it did a pretty good job. Use the Select menu or Control, Command plus D for deselect. Turn back on the bottom layer. Make sure that the bottom layer is selected. Head up to Filter, Blur Gallery, Tilt Shift. Now drag the guides to better blend the blur. Blur around 50 pixels. Once you're done, hit OK. Now, I'm going to add a sun effect. To do this, make sure that layer 0 is selected, then go to Filter, Render, Lens Flare. Choose Brightness, 120%, check, 35mm prime, place the sun on the right and press OK. Don't forget the girl's shadow. To do this, hold Ctrl, Command plus click on the mask. Make a copy by pressing Ctrl, Command plus C. Create a new layer and paste by pressing Ctrl, Command plus V. You can use the Edit menu. Fill it with the black color. To adjust size and position of shadow, open your Transform tool by pressing Ctrl or Command plus T. Click on the right mouse button and choose Flip Vertical. Lower the layer opacity to around 40%. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur and set the radius to 40 pixels. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel.